Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you everyone? I hope everyone is healthy today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ayuni Delmira, NPM 22312037. On this occasion, I will discuss the basic concept of algorithm. So let's get straight into it. The basic concept of algorithm. This time I will discuss the basic concept of algorithm. The tool used to represent algorithms such as flowchart and pseudocode, as well as the application of algorithm in everyday life. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a method of step that implemented in an orderly and sequential manner to resolve or solve a problem with an introduction or activity. The importance of algorithm in programming and computing because they provide system solution to problem, increase efficiency in results, allows automatic resolution of action, create a better user interface, support data and communication security, ASIC in structured software development, increase software execution speed, support technological innovation, becomes the basic for advanced software development, enable conscious and reliable problem solving. Algorithm definition. An algorithm is a structured sequential of steps used to solve a particular problem or task. Algorithms are usually created to produce correct output by processing the given input. The steps in the algorithm must be structured, clear, and sequential. This must follow a logic or method that can be followed well to achieve the desired goals. Main component of algorithm. Input is data or information given to the algorithm. Processing are the step or operation that an algorithm performs on input. Output is the result or solution produced by the algorithm after processing the input. Algorithms have three main properties. 1. Limited. Products output in limited number of steps. 2. Sequential. Steps are performed one by one. 3. Effective. Every step must be clear and executable. Simple example. For example, a cooking recipe is an example of an algorithm in everyday life. Ingredients for input are processed using certain step process to produce delicious dishes for output. In the algorithm, there is a flowchart. Flowcharts are a visual tools used to represent algorithm. It uses geometric shape and arrow to show step and the relation between two steps. Flowcharts are used to clearly define the sequence of operation in algorithm. This helps with understanding, troubleshooting, and documenting algorithm. Symbol on flowchart. 1. Flow direction symbol. For simbol yang digunakan untuk menghubungkan antara simbol yang satu dengan simbol yang lain. Terminal symbol yaitu simbol untuk permulaan start atau akhir dari suatu kegiatan. Connector symbol yaitu simbol untuk keluar masuk atau penyambungan proses dalam lembar halaman yang sama. Connector symbol yaitu simbol untuk keluar masuk atau penyambung proses pada lembaran halaman yang berbeda. Simbol manual input simbol untuk pemasukan data secara manual, online keyboard, simbol preparation, simbol untuk mempersiapkan penyimpanan yang akan digunakan sebagai tempat pengolahan di dalam storage, simbol predefined process, simbol untuk pelaksanaan suatu bagian atau subprogram prosedur, simbol display, simbol yang menyatakan peralatan output digunakan layar, printer, dan sebagainya. Processing simbol, simbol yang menunjukkan pengolahan yang dilakukan oleh komputer, simbol manual operation, simbol yang digunakan untuk pengelola yang tidak dilakukan oleh komputer, simbol decision, simbol pemilihan proses berdasarkan kondisi yang ada, simbol input-output, simbol yang menyatakan proses input dan output tanpa tergantung dengan jenis peralatannya, simbol disk and online storage, simbol yang menyatakan input yang berasal dari disk atau disimpan ke disk, simbol magnetic tape unit, simbol yang menyatakan unit berasal dari pita magnetik atau output disimpan ke pita magnetik, simbol punch card, simbol yang menyatakan bahwa input berasal dari kartu atau output ditulis ke kartu, simbol dokumen, simbol yang menyatakan input berasal dari dokumen dalam bentuk kertas atau output dicetak ke kertas. Simple flowchart and pseudocode. Flowchart are used to represent algorithm. Pseudocode is a language that is closer to the program, used to describe the step in an algorithm without being changed to a particular programming language. Flowchart, mulai, input alas, input tinggi, luas, in process, luas, alas kali tinggi dibagi 2, output tampilan luas, in pseudocode, algoritma luas segitiga, deklarasi, luas integer, alas integer, tinggi integer, deskripsi, read, alas tinggi. Luas sama dengan setengah dikali alas kali tinggi. Output luas. An algorithm is a structured sequence of steps to solve a problem or a task. They have main components, namely input, process, and output. Algorithm characteristics include limitation in the number of steps, sequential execution, and effectiveness. Algorithm can be represented using flowchart and pseudocode. Example of simple algorithm include finding the legs number in a list. Algorithm analysis is important to measure its efficiency and performance. Algorithm found in everyday life such as a cooking recipe and give us navigation direction, help us make a better decision and carry out tasks efficiently. With an understanding of algorithm, you can optimize solution to profession problem in various fields. So much for me, and with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.